So what I've done here is that, because I want to change this button that says subscribe now, I want to change it to something that relates with all these things here. I want to say, okay, not about subscribe now, it's about watch video. Watch video now. So that's it. Watch the video now. So I'm going to save it. Okay. So everything is now related, interconnected. Okay. It flows with the reader. It flows with the person that is looking on this landing page. Okay. Now, what am I going to do next? Because I want to do things like, did I save this thing? Let me go to next. There's one thing that happened in the previous video. The form is not yet doing what exactly I want it to do. Okay, because what I want is I want it to, to shoot out the email, the link itself. I want it to shoot it out to the people. It's not like a kind of, something like no. It's not something like when you enter your own email address, it will just, it will just, let me take it this way. This is the link of the form itself, which you'll be promoting. And then if people read it and they enter their email address, let me enter mine. Okay. I want it to give me the video on my screen like this. Okay. Instead of sending it to my own inbox. And there's a reason for that, because not everybody will, not everybody will, what will I say? Not everybody will have access to go and check their inbox at that particular time. So I want that to, take them direct to the, direct to the page of the, okay, it should be done under here. Like, let me see. It's about this computer then. Custom success page. Yes, it has to take them to the custom success page. Yeah, this is the redirect URL. Okay. I think the redirect URL have to be something that, okay, maybe open in a new window. You know what I mean? But maybe that should even be under my under the under this level that I cannot get to, because I would have gone to tick the button open in new window. So in case if I cannot do that in this video, well, maybe someday by myself, when I'm sitting down making this video, I may show you what I mean. Okay, because I want this link when they submit their email to take them to this page direct, not only to send it to their inbox email. So if I cannot do it now, that means anyway, there's no problem. But next, let's see. So whichever you do, the most important thing is that this form that you have created, this is the link. You want to copy this link. Okay, this link of your form, you want to copy it again, and you're going to put it in a sheet like this, in a notepad. You're just going to put it in a notepad somewhere. Okay, just save it, because that is the link you'll be promoting. The landing page link is the one you'll be promoting. Okay, that is it. In fact, some people also do go to the extent of buying domain for landing page, but we don't need to do that now. Okay, but I'm going to show you one thing after this next video.